Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make this beautiful and cute teddy bear. See how they are looking cute. Everybody will like this pattern and kids also like this pattern. Now let's make this beautiful teddy bear Rakhi. First for that we will make one magic ring. Then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we will make total 22 triple crochet. This is the second one. This is third triple crochet. Take the 2 rounds yarn on the hook, insert into the magic ring and pull through the loops 3 times. The first 4 chains acts like first triple crochet. Here I am making total 22 triple crochet. If you want, you can increase or decrease the number of triple crochet. According to baby hand, we can adjust the size. Like this, make total 22 triple crochet. I will finish this round. I will meet you end of the round. Here totally I have made 20 triple crochet. This is 21st triple crochet. This is 22nd triple crochet. Here we have completed the first round with the 22 triple crochet. With the help of slip stitch, close the round. In middle yarn, make it tight by pulling it. Next we will start the second one. Here I am going to make ears of the teddy bear. First make one half double crochet. Next I will make total 6 double crochet. This is first double crochet, this is second DC, third DC, fourth DC, fifth double crochet, sixth double crochet. Here I have made total 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next make chain 1. Next stitch make one slip stitch. This is the first ear completed. In next make 5 slip stitch in the next 5 stitch. This is first slip stitch, second, third slip stitch, fourth slip stitch, fifth slip stitch. On fifth slip stitch make chain 1. In next chain make total 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth DC, This is 6th DC. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Totally I have made 6th DC. Next chain 1. In next chain make a slip stitch. Here we have finished the making ear. Now I will cut the yarn. See, our teddy bear face is ready, and at the back side hide the extra yarn with the help of needle or hook like this. Give the smooth finishing touch. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Here I have cut the extra yarn. Next we will make eyes and mouth and its nose. Now I will make teddy bear mouth. For that I am using white yarn. Make a magic ring, then make 2 chains, then make 9 DC. Total 10 double crochet, that is 2 chains plus 9 DC. This is the third one. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here I have made total 10 DC. Now close the round with the help of slip stitch. Make a slip stitch on top of the 2 chains. Next one chain 1 and cut the yarn. See, now mouth is ready. First fold the extra yarn, then hide the extra yarn with the help of needle, then cut them like this. To give the finishing touch, properly hide the extra yarn backside, then cut them. This will give the beautiful structure. Now teddy bear mouth is ready. Now we will make 30 chains on like this to tie the Rakhi. Make 30 chains on both sides. Insert a hook below the ear. Make a knot. Then start making the chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. Make 30 chains, or you can make more also. It depends on the rust size. Then after finishing 30 chains, then cut the yarn like this. Now I will repeat the same procedure on other side. Insert the hook below the ear. Now make 1 or 2 knots. Then make 30 chains. Now I finished making 30 chains. Pull the yarn and cut the yarn. See. Now I will make the nose. For that I am using a small needle and black thread. This is embroidered thread from Anchor company. Make simple running stitch back and forth like this to make the nose, teddy bear nose. Here I am making simple stitch. Try this Rakhi. Your children will going to definitely like this. They will happy. Like this, make a nose. Then at center, take the thread like this. At back side, make 2 or 3 knots and cut the yarn. Cut the thread. This is cotton thread I am using here. See, our teddy bear nose is ready. Now we will attach eyes. For that, first make the place mark, then with the help of needle attach these eyes. Here I am using small beads to make eyes, or you can make embroidery also. To make eyes, you can make French stitch also. At back side, make 1 or 2 knots to secure the eyes. Then cut the extra thread like this. Same, I have attached one more eye. Now I will attach the face with the help of this fabric glue. Like this. Here I am using this fabric glue. Now fix that face like this. See how beautiful it's looking. Please comment me which color Rakhi you liked more. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for the watching.